Hey everybody. I do not have the rights to this music. This is made up, Mrs. Garden. Yes, hey husband, see you soon. About 37 days till Shiloh. Boozoo. Oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait. Hey everybody, love, 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 and more love. This is made up, Mrs. Garden. Always sending love, sending hugs. It's cold. Let me show y'all what's going on here in the bird. Always got to be dealing with this. I'm not even opening the door. Now we're going to go outside. Show y'all from the window. I am going to go to my job. Let's see what they doing down there because I'm hungry. I need to spoil. Used to my microwave. I ain't got no microwave no more. So if anybody want to cash out me a microwave. I only use it to warm food up. I never cooked in a microwave. No food, you know what I mean? Warm it up, yes. Hot water. Shop up and popping. Had to break it down some and take some stuff into the basement. Because I have a lot of stuff. And the person I rent from tried it, honey. She came in here and tried it. Like, you have a lot of stuff. Sorry, not sorry for the accent, but they know how to speak it of cash, though. I know that. This is the basement. Not. See, I had to set it up real nice. You know how I do. Look at that. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. I know to Orga and Naz. Okay, I gotta come back down here later. Oh, I could take some pictures with my tab. With my, with the eyeballs on. I forgot I could take pictures with this darn thing. I don't like the pictures, though. Pictures is whack. Let's see. Is there even a flash on there? I don't like it. I can't even take pictures. Yeah, I don't like it. This, fire. Pictures are so... They look like I'm taking them with a Polaroid camera. That, they didn't do well on this, Amazon Fire. You ain't in studio lights, camera action. The pictures aren't nice. I'm still getting the place together though. Still getting how I like it. That's my bike. Yeah, thank you, Co-op. It's my stepper, which doubles, believe it or not, as the most wonderful step stool in the world. Oh my God. You're so completely in control and relaxed. And if you just stand straight with your feet straight and not move them up and down, honey, I can get to all the windows, do all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I got to clean the top of the refrigerator so I can put that crap. Trash goes out tomorrow night and the kitchen will be back sparkling clean. You see my flowers? Woo! Gorgeous. Yeah, I got to walk down to my job. I'm hungry. I'm going to warm up my food. Of course, I ain't got no food. What? Here we go. Puzzle ready. Trying to get packed for Jamaica. Look at this. That's ridiculous. Look at all that stuff. And now, mind you, I gotta buy a bigger suitcase. So I'll be checking 2 big ass bags. And I still got stuff in the refrigerator to take. Peanuts and stuff like that. My husband ain't spoiled. Foreign. I don't know who is. The room's coming together real nice. Look at my papers. Got to go through all the papers. Throw some of that stuff out. And last but not least, I'm going to show y'all my view from my window. And then I'm out. Did somebody just go by on their bike? Oh my goodness. Pittsburgh is off the hook. I hope y'all saw that. That was funny. That was funny. Okay, so this is my view. I'm gonna take a walk down to my job, use their facilities, their kitchen and their utensils, a microwave and free Wi-Fi, you feel me? Then I'm gonna come back here and relax. Watch some boob tube. Let me see what time I gotta be at work tomorrow. Okay, yeah, I gotta be at work tomorrow. I was off today. But it's beautiful, isn't it? It's real nice. My husband cannot wait to get some of that. Oh my goodness. He can't wait to see some of that snow. All right, everybody, I'm out. It's Maida, Mrs. Garden. Love y'all so much. Everybody tuning in, saying hello, checking me out, supporting. See my pictures of my baby there. His bald head. Can't wait to see him. Oh my goodness. And Buju, my life is perfect. I swear to God it is. I love y'all. Giving thanks to the Most High God. Yes, thank you. Love y'all. Have a good day. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Okay, for real this time. Bye, y'all.